In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change match settings in eFootball 2024. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly customize your specific match that you want to play on eFootball 2024. To find all of the match options that you have and customize them, go over to Match. So from the home screen of the game, tap Match, and you will be able to browse through all of the available modes. So usually you will see Tournament, Event, PvP, versus AI, and so on. Now, I'm going to do a trial match, but you can go to any of the match modes available. For example, if you go over to Quick Match, you will be able to customize the matchmaking settings and the game plan, but depending on the mode that you choose, you will have more or less options accordingly. So I'm going to go over here to Trial Match, and as you can see, we have the settings button available immediately. So I'm just going to choose Europe, Italia, and so on. So I'm just choosing random teams as an example. Once you are done selecting the teams accordingly, in here you will be able to change every single aspect about this trial match. So you can use any of the icons here to change the players, the rows, the support, and so on. There's a lot to customize, and I wish I could go through all of it in this video, but unfortunately I'm not the most knowledgeable person and I won't be able to give you a lot of insight. But as you can clearly see, you can change a lot of stuff about the match, including the time, level, if injuries are enabled, extra time, penalties, substitutions, intervals, and then the conditions here. And finally, the time of day or night on the stadium, so it gives you a nice aesthetic view of the arena and the action. It's as simple as going over to this specific area here, and you will be able to edit the position, change the players, the condition, and so on. It's super simple, but if you only want to match settings, this is where you can find it. So tap this little gear icon and then on these lines here. I hope I was able to help you on how to change match settings in eFootball 2024. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.